This is a tree that has fallen down, and my son, who is 6 feet high, was standing there inside the tree. So that should give a rough idea of the size of. आजा 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 सारा आजा photo में come all along, you know. I have been watching these massive trees. This is a fallen tree, and let me reduce and show you that it has fallen down and how small a human being is. The people are walking inside the fallen tree. Yeah. Such a huge size here. Let me have a walk through the trunk of this fallen tree. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just imagine यार, ये कितना बड़ा पेड़ है और कितनी बड़ी इसकी ट्रंक है कि आदमी छोटे छोटे नजर आ रहे हैं. How mighty these trees are. इसको खींचे कैसे पूरा? How it will come in the one picture frame?
पैनोरामा फोटो ले लो बाबा. पैनोरामा फोटो ले लो बाबा. पैनोरामा
उसमें ये
नीचे से ऊपर तक ले लो.